Hello, today we are going to learn about length. When we find out how long or how short an object is, we are finding its length.
I see. So, the length of my pencil is from A to B.
That's correct. Now, let's take a look at these two pencils. Are they of the same length? No, they are not of the same length. What can we say about the blue pencil? The blue pencil is longer than the red pencil. Likewise, we say that the red pencil is shorter than the blue pencil. We use the words longer than or shorter than to show the difference in the length of two things.
Yes, but what if we have more than two objects?
If we have three pencils of different lengths, we can further compare them. What can we say about the blue pencil now? The blue pencil is longer than the red pencil, but it is shorter than the green pencil. So, we know that the green pencil is the longest and the red pencil is the shortest.
I think I know what you mean. Do we only use words like long and short when we're talking about length?
Oh no, we can't use long to talk about the heights of people or buildings. Instead, we must use the word tall. However, we can still use the word short to talk about a person's height. Look at Gina, Kelly, and Lena. Gina is shorter than Kelly, and Lena is taller than Kelly. Lena is the tallest of the three girls. Who is the shortest girl then?
What if we have to compare the length of four or more objects? Is it difficult?
Oh, that is not at all difficult. Now, look at the playground. Do you think you can tell which bench is the shortest? It can be rather tricky when the benches are placed apart from one another. So, it is important that we line them up side by side at the same starting line. Then, we can make an accurate comparison.
A starting line? Is it like those we see in races?
Yes, it is pretty much the same, except here we are not racing. A starting line lets us compare the lengths of objects fairly and accurately. For example, if we do not use a starting line when comparing the length of the benches, this will happen. Bench B may be mistaken as the longest bench, and that is incorrect. By making use of the starting line, can you tell now which is the shortest bench?
Of course, bench A is the shortest.
Good. Can you remember all that you have learned today?
Of course, I learned that when we talk about length, we are talking about how long or how short an object is. We can tell others about the difference in length between two objects by using words like longer than and shorter than. And when there are three or more objects, we can use words like longest or shortest. Oh, I also noticed that in order to compare the lengths of three or more objects accurately, we have to lay them side by side at the same starting point.
You have been paying attention. Well done. See you at the next lesson.